Hey guys, Sandy here, and I am super excited to show you my latest haul from the Secret, not the Secret, Kit Club and Redefined Kreative Shop. It came in a box, guys. It came in a big old box. So, let's show you what I got. So, first of all, super excited about this bad boy, the Tim Holtz and Tonic Guillotine Trimmer. Gotta put it this way so you can see it all. Look at this. So excited for this. I have been wanting one of these. And the reason why I got that was because of these guys. So these are the cut-a-lines. This is gonna allow me to gut my paper, and I can use the guillotine trimmer so I can get rid of that pesky Fiskars sliding one. Okay, also, look at this, gel printing plates. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play around with these. I'm so excited. When I went to Creativation, I just really was intrigued by gel printing, and oh guys, it's there for me. Okay, I got a stencil. This is Simon Hurley Create. If you don't know who he is Ink Clips on YouTube. Been a subscriber of his for a little while now. He is a teenage guy that is into card making and super awesome at it. Okay. And of course, here comes my kit. Look at that. Vicki Boutin texture paste. It's iridescent glitter. Let's see if it... Oh, it's sealed. I was gonna sniff it. Okay, over here, Huffing Glitter. Then I got these bad boys. These are the Vicki Boutin Mixed Media Watercolor Markers. These are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. She showed these off at Creativation. They are super pigmented, like super pigmented. So you only need a little teeny dollop when you're going to actually do your watercolor. I got this stamp. Love this stamp right here. This is a Dina Wakley stamp. In her class at Creativation, we used that stamp to create this. And I just loved it and want to do more creating with it. So that bad boy. Then the Vicki Boutin washi tape for color kaleidoscope. And I'm gonna open this because there's some exciting stuff in this washi tape that I just need you to see. There's also a not so exciting one in here, guys. There is a not so exciting one in here. But I'm gonna look at this washi tape. Just look at it. Okay. We have this silver sparkly. Oh, it's gorgeous. Then we have this one, which kind of looks like a watercolor background. Look at that. Super pretty. Wrap that back up. Then we have this one. Let's see if I can, oops. No, this one just doesn't want to peel for me. Okay. Now we have this one. It's got numbers, little bits of like postcard, good colors on there. Then this one, which is an iridescent silver and white, or translucent. Oh, and your eyes can't even see it. Then we have this one, which is black with white words, and it says rec, or could be record, snapshots, memory, important, document, take note, records. Now, okay, so we're back. Then we have, this one. Now, Vicki Boutin is a big fan of butterflies. She definitely let me know that at Creativation. So, butterflies. This might be, whoops, yikes. This might be given to somebody. Then we have this one. This is gorgeous. Like, I am a huge fan of this washi tape. It's polka dots, but in colors. Like, look at it. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look how it changes color. Oh, love this one. I'm a super, super fan of this one. Like, I wish I could have 2 of these and none of the butterflies. Then this one is really cool. This one is the light bulb one. And it is silver. That's cool. Okay, so that was the Vicky Bouton washi tape. Okay, that is 6 yards each. So 48 yards of washi tape just came into my home. Okay, then we have, look, she made it all pretty. I don't even know what everything is in here. Okay, I think this might be in order as well. Because this is, I know, Crystal, I'm probably killing you with this right now, tearing up this tissue paper, but I'm so excited. So this, oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Okay. This is my kit, or part of the rest of the kit. This is Vicky Bouton Color Kaleidoscope, and I loved this kit so hard at Creativation. Okay, let's start with paper. Put that stuff off to the side. Okay, so here we have the paper. Okay, this one is Craft, White Cameras on Craft, and it is Say Cheese, and on the back side we have Say Cheese. Then don't like this, and then we have this kind of cloud paper. It's called Look Up, and on the back is this polka dot. It's really, really deep polka dots over here and lightens up as it gets to there. This is Scattered Leaves, and then black text on brown craft paper there. This one we have, it's called Kaleidoscope. On the back is some black and white. This is Flower Shop. This floral is gorgeous. And on the back is this tone on tone green. Then we have Pop Dots. Love a good dot. On the back is this darker tone on tone green. I don't know which one I like more. I'm gonna put it on that way because I like the way that looks with that floral. Then we have Flight of Fancy. Look at all those butterflies, people. On the other side, we have this tone on tone blue. This is gorgeous. That's going to be the side I'm going to use. This is Side Note. Looks like notebook paper and some pre-printed layered bits. And then on the back, another like blues and aquas and stuff on the back here. And then we have this gorgeous one right here, Chasing Rainbows. And on the back, I don't know if this is tone on tone or if that's black on like a deep violet. This is the cut apart sheet. And on the back, oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, here we have Odds and Ends, which looks like little border strips. And on the back is this scallop. I love that. Okay, here we have Paper Hearts, and it's in rainbow order. And on the back is this pink. Love that pink too. I don't know which one. I might take a strip of that and use some of the pink. Here is the premium paper, which is this iridescent kind of silvery look on vellum. And then here, I believe this is going to be one each of the designs in the watercolor pad. So she made it easy. Look how gorgeous these are with watercolor on them and then with the gold foiling. You could add more mixed media to these. You could definitely do that, or you could just use them as you wanted to. Like, say you didn't want to get messy. You just wanted them ready to go for you. You can build right on top of it. I will probably add more mixed media just because I like getting messy. But look, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna look at the fun stuff. So here is the paper pad, and this is a 6x8 paper pad. And I actually am really glad that American Crafts is moving to a 6x8 paper pad. This is because I like using the 6x6 paper pads as photo mats, but since I scrap mostly 4x6 photos, I end up having to trim my photos down ever so slightly. So, beautiful, beautiful stuff in here. Cut aparts, banners. Pretty. Just, this is pretty stuff, guys. Like, this is beautiful. Her stuff just is gorgeous. So pretty. So it looks like 2 of each sheet in there. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the thickers. This does have the silvery iridescent glitter. Say hello, friend. Lots of little banners. Lots of strips, numbers, and arrows, and little things. Not a whole lot of butterflies on here either, so there's one. Huh, that makes me happy. Okay. And then these thickers, which are amazing. Like, seriously, these are amazing. These are colorful. Say cheese, capture, new day, oh snap, colorful and fun, love you. Look at that colorful. It's, look at it. It goes from pink to purple. A little bit of red. It's all the way over there. Gorgeous. Okay. On the back, the good stuff. Big heart, live, laugh, love, this photo. Remember, and lots of hearts and little bits. Love these so much. Okay. Then we have the stickers. These are the flat stickers. More of these word strips, birds, florals. This has some like pearlescent. Like that's, I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but there's like an arrow and hearts and stars. On the back, there's some border strips, arrows, little bits, tabs and such things. Love that. Okay. Then we have so much. There's just so much, guys. So much. Okay. Next, we're going to do, okay, so the stencils. And I have 2 sets of stencils. I think one might be new and one might be older. I'm not sure. I don't know. But we got the circles. These are like larger circles down to smaller ones. And then this pattern right here. And then this one is the floral one with like bursty ones, some leaves, and some gorgeous flowers. Okay. Then we have both of the embellishment packs. So this one is, they're both 50 pieces. Not exactly sure what the difference is, but they're in a waterfall pack. So there are bigger pieces and little, look at those florals, gorgeous, bigger and little pieces. So we have like flowers, birds, camera, leaves, clouds in this one. And then this one is words and like more of the journaling pieces, and it's just gorgeous. I'm in love. Okay, have those. Then we have the puffy stickers, and these are in circles. And these are kind of layered a little bit, it feels like you can feel this heart on here is higher up than this color disc right here. The same thing with the word hi and this arrow. Love these. Big fan, big fan. So this is the stamp and die set. I'm super excited about this. I love stamps, and I love it even more when there are dies that go with them. Like, it makes me super happy, and I love it that this is magnetic. let me get that back in there. Look, so fun. And it is so fun. Okay. Then we have the sticker book. And the fun thing about the sticker book is that they are layerable. So she did this on purpose, kind of like Shamel does with her stickers, where she has these pieces. Like you can see, these are already kind of made up stickers. They're one-dimensional. But she has like the bigger florals, the littler parts, the words, big numbers, like everything is, and this is a lot of stickers. Gorgeous. Absolute gorgeousness. Okay, so those are those. And then I have this little guy here, which is some fun stuff Christina has added. These inventory tags, super, super cute. Some craft tags, and this gorgeous, gorgeous ribbon that is beautiful. It is a beautiful, beautiful match for this collection. It is gorgeous. Okay. And then, yes, guys, it's still coming. Still coming. This is an order. So I placed this order on the Redefined Kreative Shop. So let's see. Let's see what I got. So, like I said, this was a separate order that I placed in addition to my kit club. Now, I got this. I got this traveler's notebook. It's a pocket page notebook. So it's a traveler's notebook with pocket pages in it. You can literally slip it in here. And I thought that this would be the best way to get me into doing a traveler's notebook. I really want to do one. I just don't know what I want to put in it yet. So I'm halfway there because I have the notebook I want to use. So it's paper, pocket, paper, pocket, paper, pocket. So I got to figure out. If you guys have any ideas, let me know because I'm struggling. Then I got the Stamp Market label and die set. Like I said, love stamps. Even better when I can get a die that goes with them. And these are just great for little journaling spots, little things to layer up. So those. Then I got some of this wooden bits right here. And look at these. These hearts are beautiful. Look at this. They are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hearts. Oops, that one fell off. Broke my heart. No, it's not broken. Okay. And how fun is this cute little packaging? Okay, get those back in there. And then this, I had been watching in the shop. It had been out of stock for a long time, and this is the Moda Scrap Wood Effect Collection in 12 by 12. So, I just want to show you the gorgeousness of this wood grain. So this is just like the, here's the paper, but honestly, I would cut that off and use that. Okay, so we have, it's one single-sided, but look at these. Look at them. They're gorgeous. I mean, they are gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Okay, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm excited. That's all I gotta say. I'm just so excited.